Welcome on my ISO Builder computer. We have created two new packages, ArcoLinux OpenBox Extended, ArcoLinux Config Extended. Both of them have something in there. Okay, next up is we need to actually make a package. So ArcoLinux Config Extended is first one. ArcoLinux config extended. I've already done a git clone a few minutes before. I thought. Don't see it though. Control Shift 2 is going to make things a bit different. So I don't see the extended here. The ArcoLinux OpenBox Extended, that one I did do, it seems. But the config is not there yet. Methinks. So this guy is not there. Click. Control Shift 1. Git clone https. Why am I typing this? Control Shift V. Already exists. Why? Where did I see it? Config. Huh? Later on in retrospect we'll say, what was he doing? ArcoLinux Config Extended. And he says already exists. Where are you? Extended, not an E, an X. Damn it. So that's this one. Let's git pull this. I think I have some more in the meantime. There we are. So that's okay. That's one guy that's in order. We don't need to git pull it, but for good manners, I have a backup here. With well, can't you tell? Computers. ArcoLinux repo, no, ArcoLinux package build. So we have an ArcoLinux BSP, right? We always started ArcoLinux config BSP WM. Command C, Control V, naming it extended. Rename. Good. One by one. Oops. Then we go to this guy. No. We took Xmonad, otherwise there's no difference. Compare. And BSPWM, let's look at what we are. So right is extended and left is Xmonad. So I need to change this thing to extended. And the same here to extended. And of course, extended. Save. Control S, save. 12.8. Doesn't really matter, it's a new package, but actually it's my first package, so okay, first one ever. Extended. Let's try this out before we put it online. We make the package. In here I'll find etc, scal, config, auto start, the blank and variety, dconf. Open up as that one, funcif, okay, GTK3 settings. By the way, what did we choose? Surfing, I hope. Surf and arc, not all sounds are dark. All the settings for the themes are here. H-stop, nano, nitrogen, no mix. Okay, looks good. That's what I want to have. And the rest is just a license. So, you're out. and then we're going to build it for real. The package is going to do the same thing. It's going to make a package, and the end result is going to be a tar xset. It's going to be signed as well. We need to teach that as well sometime in Carly. Then it's going to be moved to both of them to the repo ISO, to the repo ISO, not the repo as such, not the ISO. Getting tired. Extended, here it is. Move it up. Move it up, move it up, move it up. Maybe too soon. Let's put it over here. Do it again, because we still have to do the package build for ArcoLinux OpenBox. This one, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. It's not going to be OpenBox per se. It's going to be the extended version of it. So it's going to contain polybar. I think people will like it, that out of the box you'll have polybar. Yeah, easiest way again is comparing, right? So can we compare? Not really. Yeah, I suppose. What happens if I do Qtile? Too much difference. So, no comparison for you today. Let's go to the package build. Reminds me of the video No Croissants for you. So, OpenBox is going to be called Extended. Package itself is Extended. And the place where it is the source, so the package name, that's correct, ArcoLinux OpenBox Extended. Like so. Correct is correct. Good now? ArcoLinux OpenBox Extended Git. Done. Let's take check anyway before we are going to put it online. Make package, quick check. Package, ArcoLinux, etc, scal, config, OpenBox. And what do we have in OpenBox? Polybar. Nitrogen restore. Polybar launch. Voila. Good to go. So this, and this needs to go. Now I'm gonna build for real. Getting cold here. I can't put on the air conditioner to make it warmer. Makes too much noise for the videos. Well, a little bit. So I need to push it back to the net. I've just done that here. For this one, I need to do it again. I just type update for these guys. All right, that's done. I'm gonna push it now to, that's something else, and that needs to go. Gonna push it to seed host, you know, the other screen. That's done, and we're all set, I think. Good to go, and that means that the video on ArcoLinux building ISO here is finished.